In this video, you'll learn how to transfer emails between Gmail accounts. Maybe you're moving from an old address to a new one, setting up a more professional account, or just trying to keep everything organized in one inbox. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can move your messages quickly and safely. First, make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account that will receive the emails, meaning the account you want everything moved into. This is important because all the actions you're about to take will be done from the destination account, not the old one. Once you're signed in, open Gmail in your web browser. You'll need to be using the full desktop version of Gmail for this, not the mobile app, because the import tools aren't available in the same way on phones or tablets. With Gmail open, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. A quick settings panel will appear, but what you want is the full settings view. Click on the option that says something like See All Settings to open the main settings page. Along the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Find and click the one labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail stores all the tools for managing multiple accounts, sending mail as different addresses, and importing messages. On the Accounts and Import tab, look for the section that mentions importing mail and contacts. Here, you'll see a link that says Import Mail and Contacts. Go ahead and click that. A new window or pop-up will open, and this is where you'll connect your old Gmail account, the one you're moving messages from. In this window, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the account you want to import from. Type in your old Gmail address carefully, then follow the prompts. Gmail may redirect you to sign into that old account or ask you to grant permission for Google to access it. This step allows Gmail to read the emails and copy them over to your new inbox. Take a moment to review any permission screens and confirm that you're allowing access only to what's needed, then approve the request. After you've connected the old account, you'll be given a few options, such as whether you want to import old mail, new mail for the next 30 days, or both. Choose the options that make sense for you. If you're transitioning completely to the new account, importing both old and upcoming mail can make the move smoother. Once you've made your selections, click the button to start the import. Gmail will begin copying emails from the old account into your current one. This process can take some time, especially if you have a lot of messages or large attachments. You don't need to keep the window open the entire time. Gmail will continue working in the background. You can keep using your account as normal while the import runs, and you'll see the emails gradually appear in your inbox and folders. That's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, going into settings, using the Accounts and Import tab, selecting Import Mail and Contacts, entering your other account details, and starting the import, you can smoothly transfer your emails from one Gmail account to another without losing important messages.